Hey guys, so 14.2 is just sums and products. It's a skill that we're going to practice that will help us fill in our box to use the boxes and blocks form of factoring. So sums and products, all we are trying to do is find two numbers that both sum to 8x. When we add them together, they equal 8x and yield a product of 7x squared. So we need factors of 7x squared that when we add them together equal 8x. I know that it says sum to first, but we want to find the factors of our product first. This will give us, because like there's a lot more combinations that will add up to 8x than there are combinations that will multiply to 7x squared. So that's why that's our starting point. It just helps us narrow things down quicker. So 7x squared, some factors of 7x squared, well, 7x times x equals 7x squared. Negative 7x times negative x also gives us 7x squared. So which of these terms that when added together give us 8x? Well, 7x plus 1x, if 7x is, I add one more x to it, that gives us 8x. That's it. We did it. Here are our terms. This other one, if we add a negative x to negative 7x, leaves us with negative x squared, or negative 8x. That can't be it. So this is a simple process that will help us fill out boxes for factoring. That'll come next lesson or the lesson. Let's do a couple more examples. Sum to 15x and yield a product of 36x squared. So just factors of 36x squared that when we add them together equal 15x. Let's come up with some factors of 36x squared. Well, 2x times 18x equals 36x squared. What else? 3x times 12x equals 36x squared. Let's add these together, see what that gets us. Yes, there's more factors of 36, but we've already got our winner here, as you can kind of logically see. I'm not going to put every single factor on there. I think you guys get what I'm driving at here. So if we add 2x plus 18x, that gives us 20x. That's not. But 3x plus 12x, aha, that gives us 15x. Ta-da! Here are our winning terms. And that's it. That's all this is. You're just practicing these. Let's do number 3 because they throw a negative at you. So we need factors of 3x squared that when added together equal negative 4x. Well, 3x times x is 3x squared. So is negative 3x times negative x, because negative times a negative is positive. 3x times x is 3x squared. Okay, now let's add them together. 3x's plus another x equals a positive 4x. That's not what we're looking for. We need a negative 4x. I think you can see where this is going. So negative 3x plus negative x or minus x gives us the same thing. We have negative 3x's. We subtract one more x. That gives us negative 4x. So we did it. We found our two terms that when multiplied together equal 3x squared, and when we add them together equals negative 4x. That's all this lesson is. It's just some practice on doing those. So I think you guys will like it. If you need any help, email me. We found errors on the last homework, so if you run into something that's kind of weird, kind of funky, let me know, and I'll get it all straightened out for you. Okay, that's all I got for you. maybe I'll see you guys for tutorials. Bye.